Solar energy powers the future with promise, performance, and sustainability. But the foundation of a reliable solar system begins long before installation. It starts with careful handling of the very modules that convert sunlight into power. One of the most overlooked yet most critical stages in any solar project is the unloading and unpacking of SPV modules. If this step isn't done correctly, it can cause hidden and irreversible damage, safety risks, and reduced performance. But when done right, it ensures years of smooth, trouble-free operation. In this video, we'll guide you through the complete step-by-step process for safely unloading and unpacking SPV module pallets. Following these best practices helps ensure maximum output, long-term durability, and full compliance with warranty guidelines. Whether you're a site engineer, a technician, or a warehouse handler, this process is for you. So, let's begin. Step 1. Read the instructions. Before anything else, take a moment to read and understand the handling instructions and installation manual. SPV modules are delicate, and even small mistakes can cause micro cracks that aren't visible but can reduce performance over time. That's why every team member should know the correct handling procedure before starting. Step 2. Record every step. During unloading and unpacking, it is mandatory to take photos or videos. This documentation is important for quality assurance and in case of any damage. If a defect is found, this visual proof is required for supply support. Step 3. Prepare the unloading area. Before unloading begins, choose a flat, clean, and dry surface. Make sure it's free from obstacles, moisture, or uneven ground. Use only the recommended lifting equipment such as a forklift or crane with the correct accessories. Only trained personnel should operate this machinery. Ensure everyone on site is wearing proper personal protective equipment, helmets, gloves, safety shoes, and high visibility jackets. Step 4. Unload the pallets. Insert the forklift forks on the long edge of the bottom pallet for unloading. Keep the pallets upright and handle them slowly and carefully. Make sure that double-stacked pallets are well aligned before transporting them. Do not exceed the rated load capacity of the forklift. Use a forklift with forks at least 1.25 to 1.8 meters or 4 to 6 feet in length. Now, unload the top pallet and place it on a flat surface. You can also use a crane to lift and place each pallet on the recommended surface one by one. Avoid tilting, jerking, or stacking multiple pallets at once. Step 5. Inspect the pallets and packaging boxes before unpacking. Examine each pallet and box for any physical damage. If any damage is identified, document it with photos and report it immediately. Additionally, record a short video and share it with the concerned team. Early reporting helps with replacement and warranty claims. Step 6. Set pallets on stable surfaces. Place pallets only on solid and raised platforms, like wooden planks or a concrete floor. Do not place them directly on wet soil, gravel, or slop. This prevents moisture damage before installation and keeps the pallet stable. Step 7. Unpack the modules. Cut the outer plastic wrapping carefully without damaging the corrugated box. Cut all the PVC strips on the width side of the box as shown in the video. Then, cut the PVC strips on the length side of the box. Lift the outer corrugated sleeve to reveal the stacked modules on a wooden pallet. Cut all the PET strips gently, one by one. Make sure that 2 persons are holding the module during this process. After this, lean the module stack carefully against a solid, clean wall surface without causing any damage. Step 8. Handle modules safely. Two persons will lift the modules from the stack one by one. When lifting, always hold the module by its frame using both hands. Modules should always be handled by two persons. Do not drag modules or touch the glass surface without gloves. Use clean gloves to prevent marks or smudges. Never stack modules horizontally. Step 9. Store the modules properly. Modules that are not installed immediately must be stored with care. Store them in a dry, shaded area on proper racks or stands, away from direct sunlight, water, or dust. Cover the package with protective tarpaulins if it cannot be stored under a shed or is not required for immediate use. Let's recap the key points. Always read the handling and installation guide. Document each step with photos or video. Use proper equipment and safety gear. Handle modules gently and only by the frame. Store unpacked modules correctly and protect them from moisture. Modules should always be handled by two persons. Avoid touching the glass without gloves. Do not stack modules horizontally. After the useful life of the panel is over, please recycle responsibly. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the box to open the unloading and unpacking instructions on your phone or tablet. For technical support or additional guidance, please contact our support team.